Three questions on emerging markets now. François Faure, hello.
Hello.
We had some tensions after the devaluation of the Chinese currency, the renminbi. What is your analysis of the situation, of these tensions around emerging markets and emerging countries?
Well, obviously there is a risk of hard landing in China, but we have also the decrease in commodity prices and the appreciation of the US dollar. This combination of factors which is an issue for at least some emerging countries. We are not like in 2011 or 2013 when we observed pure financial contagion effect from the advanced countries. Now those factors can last.
Second question, what pattern do you use to have a global view of these emerging countries?
Well, we can adopt two-level reading grid. The first level is whether the country is a net importer or net exporter of commodities. And obviously, if it is a net exporters, risks on growth are very, very high because all those factors are self-reinforcing. If the country is a net importer of commodity, well, the decrease in commodity prices can offset to some extent the appreciation of the US dollar and also the exposure to the Chinese economy.
Now the second level?
Well, the second level is a financial level. It is about the external indebtedness of the private sector, namely the big corporates. The issue is that if a company is more and more indebted in foreign currency, its revenues are expecting to decline with the decline in commodity prices, but the service of its debt is expected to increase. And obviously, corporates in the commodities sector are the most exposed.
Third and last question, François Faure, what is the zone, what are the countries the more at risk in the coming month?
Well, if we'll find to all the countries that are both exposed to risks on growth and risk on the external solvency of corporates, we have a lot of countries. We have almost all Latin American countries, with the exception of Mexico. In Asia, we have, first of all, Indonesia, but also to a lesser extent, Malaysia. And in Europe, we have mainly Russia, Ukraine, and the Kazakhstan. But countries like, for instance, South Africa and Turkey are also vulnerable for Turkey because of the high level of external debt and, more generally speaking, of the debt in foreign currency in corporates in this country. And for South Africa, its exposure to the commodity sector.
Thank you very much, François Faure. See you next month for another edition of EcoTV. Stay tuned.
BNP Paribas, la banque d'un monde qui change.